A cat box is an essential item for anyone who owns a cat, helping to contain litter while providing a comfortable place for your pet to do its business. Constructing a DIY cat box can be both economical and personalized. Here's how you can make a simple yet effective cat box. Firstly, gather your materials. You'll need a large plastic container for the base, preferably with high sides. A container with a lid is ideal, as it allows you to control odors and prevent litter spills. You'll also need a utility knife or a pair of scissors, sandpaper, and litter. Start by deciding where you want the entry to be. Mark the area for the opening with a permanent marker. The entry should be large enough for your cat to comfortably enter and exit. It's often best placed on the front or one of the sides, depending on your space constraints. Using the utility knife or scissors, carefully cut out the marked area to create the entry. Ensure that the edges are smooth and free of burrs to avoid injuring your cat. Sandpaper can be used to smooth out any rough edges created by cutting. If your container has a lid, cut out an entrance either on the side or the top, depending on whether you prefer a top entry or a side entry box. Top entry boxes tend to reduce litter tracking. Once the entry is ready, test it by having your cat use the box. Adjust the size if necessary for your pet's comfort. Place a layer of litter at the bottom of the container. Generally, about 2 to 3 inches of litter is sufficient for an average-sized cat. Finally, secure the lid and place the box in a convenient location that provides your cat with privacy and is easily accessible. Remember to clean the cat box regularly by scooping out waste and replacing the litter. This keeps the area hygienic and encourages your pet to continue using its box. Creating a cat box can be a simple but rewarding task, offering a comfortable space for your cat while giving you a cost-effective solution to litter containment.